Hello children of Parrot class, we are now going to look at our sensory story, Walking Through the Jungle, and we're going to look at the characters and scenery that we might find in the book and try and identify them with our pictures. Those of you at home will have these in your learning pack. Okay, so Walking in the Jungle by Debbie Harter. Let's have a look. What are we going to see in the jungle? Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I think I see a lion. Roar, roar, roar. Chasing after me, chasing after me. Floating on the ocean, floating on the ocean. What do you see? What do you see? What are we going to see? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Chasing after me, chasing after me. Climbing in the mountains, climbing in the mountains. What do you see? What do you see? I think I see a wolf chasing after me, chasing after me. Swimming in the river, swimming in the river. What do you see? What do you see? I think I see a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Chasing after me, chasing after me. Trekking in the desert, trekking in the desert. What do you see? What do you see? I think I see a snake. Hiss, hiss. Chasing after me, chasing after me. Slipping on the iceberg, slipping on the iceberg. What do you see? What do you see? Growl, growl, growl. I think I see a polar bear. Chasing after me, chasing after me. Running home for supper, running home for supper. Where have you been? Where have you been? I've been around the world and back. I've been around the world and back. And guess what I've seen? And guess what I've seen? And there are all the different animals. Can we see what animals there are? There is a snake. Hiss. I think we've got a lion here. Roar. And there's many more. Okay, so now what I would like you to do is, using the worksheets in your packs, and you children, the ones on your desks, you're going to match the pictures to what you've seen. Okay, good luck with that, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.